To use Tampere city bikes, you only need a smartphone and a payment card. First, open the App Store on your phone. Find Tampere city bikes there and download the app. Downloading the app is free. Tap Sign Up and enter the required information. You can purchase a license for different periods. Choose your favorite option and tap Buy. Next, enter your phone number and you will receive a confirmation code via text message. Enter the code and proceed to enter the payment card information. Finally, confirm the payment with your bank credentials. The application will then ask you a few more background questions. By answering them, you help develop the city bike experience even further. It's ready! The application has many convenient features. One of the most important is the map, where you can see the location of city bike stations and how many bikes are available at each station. At the bottom, you can find the closest and most used bike stations. The crosshair button will locate you on the map. Ensure that the application has permission to access your location. In the upper corner, you will find your profile settings. Here, you can view your trip's history and manage your payment cards. When you want to use the bike, tap the station you are at on the map. If necessary, grant the app permission to use the camera. Tap Scan QR to unlock code and point the camera at the QR code. The app will connect to the bike. Tap Unlock again and the lock will open. You can ride the bike for 60 minutes at a time at no extra charge. You can view the ride time at the top of the application view. If your ride takes longer than 60 minutes, you will be charged an additional fee according to the price list. A city bike has a few features that are worth remembering. The height of the saddle can be easily adjusted using the lever on the bar. The bike has handbrakes, with the right one operating the rear tire. There are 3 gears. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a bell. The lights, located at the front and back, illuminate automatically while riding. Remember to wear a bike helmet. If you want to make a stop, such as at a store or library, tap the pause button in the app and lock the bike. The brake will count towards your travel time, but you will still have the same bike. When you return to the bike, tap Unlock, and the ride will resume. You can return the bike at any city bike station. End your trip in the app, and then lock the bike. Wait for a beep, as well as a confirmation in the app, indicating that your trip has ended. You can provide feedback on your trip experience or report a fault. That's how easy, affordable, and carefree it is to get around on a city bike.